good everyone? Today we are putting the spoiler on the Polo GTI. Today we are putting the Oettinger spoiler on the Polo GTI. I'm pretty sure that is at the moment. I wasn't able to actually record how I took it off and stuff because it's chucking it down outside. So I've actually got the camera balancing on the spoiler right now. So I haven't gone out with it yet and I don't know if it's going to stick on, but we'll get into that in a minute. So right now I'm in the garage and I'm just going to show you how we managed to get the spoiler off, because I know a lot of questions about that. So yeah, but first things first, I want to say shout out to the company that sent this out for me. Go and check them out, link in the description, and the website will be at the bottom of this video. Go and check them out. Yeah, they're doing a lot of Polo stuff right now, so go check them out. And yeah, let's get into it and let me show you how we put this Polo GTI spoiler on the car. Right guys, so the first part you're going to come across on when putting this spoiler on is obviously the black underlay, which is going to go under where the spoiler, the original Polo GTI spoiler is. So this just clips out, simply clips out. It's underneath the brake light, so it'd sit like that. Or if I flip it the other way, it'd be sitting like that. You just click it out at the top and it just clips out. Literally the most easiest thing ever. Just make sure not to be too hard with it, because otherwise you'll break it, but you should be alright after that. Honestly, just be gentle with it, give it a little clicks, and obviously these are newer cars, so it should be pretty easy just to pop it out. And yeah, but that is part one of how to fit this spoiler. So obviously you need to take the whole GTI spoiler off to even fit this spoiler. So yeah, we're going to get into the next part now. So then the final part is the actual spoiler. As you can see here, this is the actual spoiler that is on the Polo GTI that you see, the main plastic bit on the end. It's actually an extension, they call it a Polo GTI extension. So this is essentially got 6 bolts underneath it. As you guys can see here, you've got 1, 2, 3, and the other side you've got 1, 2, 3. Simply, once you do that, it comes off, and then you're left with chrome bolts showing, which look shit, I'll be honest, but we've got some stuff to come and fix that problem down the line. It's not going to take long. Probably just get a black circle stickers over it will make it look perfect. But apparently there is something you can actually get to fill them plugs in, so we will do that down the line for another video. But yeah, so now you'll be left with a base Polo similar to the R line, comes from no spoiler. That is how we should be looking right now. And then in a minute I'm going to flip the camera out and we'll be looking at the brand new Polo GTI Oettinger spoiler. I think that's how you say it. Obviously don't bug me if I didn't say it right, but yeah. So let's get into it and let's have a look at what the spoiler looks like on the car. We're getting some cool little cinematics, and then we'll have a good discussion about whether I think this is worth it and how I stuck it on, etc. But obviously I hope this video helps you guys. As I said, 3 bolts, a clip, and you're done. You'll be left with a normal spoiler. But yeah, let's get into cinematics of what this looks like on the car, because I know you guys have been waiting for this modification. So yeah, let's get into the cinematics. So guys, we are now around the back of the car, and as you guys can see what I was talking about, there is 1, 2, and then there's 3 there, and then there's another 3 here. As you can see, you can't really see that one because it's so dark in there, but these ones you can see. That was on about what is on show, but apart from that, honestly I think this looks absolutely sick. I'll totally recommend it if you guys want to put a spoiler on. So essentially we use 3M tape in the corner down here, just in case you guys want to do it. 3M tape in here and underneath there, and then we also used 3M tape in the middle bit, so literally round the center bit, if you guys will know what I mean when you buy it. And we also done the same on this side, 3M tape all in here, and it just looks so clean. Honestly, I love this spoiler. I step back and I go, jeez, like this car is actually looking sick at the moment. So I definitely anything on your Polo. This is probably one of the best things. This should have came on the car OEM. Yeah, honestly I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As I said, we use 3M tape. You do get it with when you buy it, but I would recommend buying some thicker tape, as there's a lot of bumps on it and the tape that you get isn't really too good. But I definitely recommend you guys buying some 3M tape from Screwfix or somewhere like that, because the tape you get just isn't, no, I'm trying to help you guys out. If you want it to stick, without using glue, because I don't really want to use glue and ruin the car. So I'd recommend using 3M tape, proper 3M tape. Make sure it's for exterior use as well, and it can hold, I think it's 2 kilograms. As long as it can hold up to 2 kilograms, you'll be fine. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. If you want to see more videos on the Polo GTI, just comment and I'll do more. As simple as that. But yeah, follow me on Instagram, DSG Panther, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to know more about it, any more questions, just let me know in the comments and we can get into it and we can talk about it. But yeah, we'll see if it stays on. If it doesn't stay on, I'm sure you'll be seeing a video about it. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for all the love recently, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.